Hi, Toxic. How are we doing? You redeemed all of the things, it looks like. I hate that this is on every single time. Hi, Maddie. How we doing? This is making me nervous. I'm gonna hate that. We are back. That's a little bit late, but you know what? I don't work tomorrow, so it's fine. Oh, hello. I have worked out. I have showered. Oh, you get your stuff. Go back. I know you said August. I do. Next Wednesday? Nice. Oh, okay, Rudy. Dexter's so stinking cute. I literally just can't even with him. Okay. They also did just get dinner, by the way, and he still acts like this. So I'm thinking tomorrow, if I can get myself up early enough, I might play some COD during the day. Man, this AI really likes to point out my smile lines. Ayo.
Yo.
Now I'm just gonna play some Disney Dreamlight Valley till you're ready. On the grind. Oh my god, I played 28 hours. Although I guess I did have it idling for a little bit. Cutie alert! I know, look at him. Rudy! Cutie. He's like, yep. Joe Hasaishi? The mega photo of her. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Yeah. Wild. Oh look, you can offset the time of day. That's very cool. Also want to say that, like, everything's running in ultra high, and this streams very well. Today's workout was awesome, by the way. It was glutes and hamstrings. Hi, the kid. What's up? Find the flowers, right. That's my friend. Hey, girl. You want to hang out? Yo, Big Mac chair. Dude, thanks for joining the Discord too the other day. How you been? Enjoy your golf. Your Warzone rounds? No problem, dude. Enjoy your, enjoy Warzone. If that's possible. I don't know if those two words can coincide. If I stand here, will he... Look at my little squirrel friend. Oh, he's so cute. I've been trying to convince these raccoons to be friends with me all day. But he runs away every time. Just ended Warzone ranks. Ooh, with a Dubski? Nice! Can I put something out? Wait, it doesn't have to be red? It could be any of these? Wait. It was definitely white in the picture. I took it very literally. Okay, well. Guys, I came up here so many times earlier today looking for the white flowers. You found a case for your phone? Like this. You should get a marble one. $23? That's pretty good. You can. I love Amazon because you can actually get really good phone cases. I guess she's just like stalking me. She's not really walking with me. Too much? I mean, mine was like 15, so. Maui and emeralds. Promoting Amazon? It's Prime Day. Alright. Let's talk to Maui. Oh wait. There's an exit over here for the beach. Somewhere? Over here. Oh, hi. Hi, Wally. He likes plants. Yeah. Oops. Oops. Cancel. Unpin. Oh, accidentally clicking on shit. So we're gonna play this for a bit, and then Red Zone and I, there's a new game, a co-op game that we're gonna try. Where's Maui? I like how I just came to the beach assuming that he was up here, but he's not. Nope. He is way the heck over here. Bread and Fred. Maui? Is it bad? Is it hard? What the? Maui! Oh, he's in the store.
Hey, over here! I don't know. Ha ha! All right, now out.
Bloobs. I said bloobs, not boobs. I said bloobs. Ba, 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 da. Harvesting. I mean, there's not a whole lot of bushes to pick. Hey, thanks. Hey. Oh, it's the pig. What's his name again? Pua. Coconuts. My group message is going nuts right now. Hi, Moors. How we doing? Everything up and running good? Yeah, I really need a case for this tablet. I'm gonna for sure drop it one day. Do I have any seaweed? No. We need a ton of Dreamlight. Cool. Oh, look at my little squirrels following me. Hi, dude. Alright. All of these are locked. You get Anna to level 2. We don't have that one. I think most of these... Ooh, a lot of these are locked. Oh, where are the shades? I definitely forgot. I'm gonna grab Pepsi. All right. My Pepsi's frozen. It's like slushy. All right. Okay, I already had most of these written down. Let's go see Anna. Watching your show, yo, enjoy Blast. Hi, Fox. You freaking cuties.
Hey, you're here!
I don't know. What would you guys pick? Ice powers? Although flying would be cool, but I am like terrified of heights. Whatever, flying.
Goodbye! Hey, you're here!
Well, I don't have a white passion lily, but I can give you this.
Great! Yes! Oh, hi. Huh? Uh-huh. We'll talk more soon, okay? Goodbye.
Yes! We get to go to the other... The blocked bridge.
Whoa! Awesome! Oh. Um. Hmm. Yeah.
Mm. It wasn't done updating it, I see. I like that I didn't have to think about where I needed to put their house.
Wow! Oh. Oh.
Thank you for passing the message on. Came back with cereal? Ooh, what kind? Good morning.
Yo.
Thank you so much.
You rich or what? You said you were buying a car, buying a car earlier?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Nice. Some Lucky Charms? Dude, I haven't had those in years. I'm gonna go and say that Lucky Charms has the best cereal milk. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that too. You're not wrong. Yeah, that one is pretty good. Where am I going? Okay, I think it's been 5 minutes. Apple Jacks? Oh, that's another good one.
Yeah, I'm looking at an M3 right now, maxed.
Boop, boop, ba-doo. Back to Lurkin. Enjoy your show. Thank you. I should actually keep track of who's who. All my companions. I feel like I need another mining companion. I only have 2, I think. I gotta have Maui and Scrooge. Nice. Is it 2 or 3 iron ores? I think it's 3. Five. Ugh. That's even worse. Boop boopy doo. That's a lot of energy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Ah. What'd you have for dinner?
Spaghetti.
Mm.
Fire.
Wow. It's a lot of iron ingots. Ores, I should say. My fridge is so cold, my Pepsi's like slushy. Hi, Wayne Rose. How you doing? How you been? Oh, well, they all went on the other side. That's not fair. Holy crap. That was a lot of stuff. Dang. I think I understand it the more I don't understand it. What is that? Oh, a bunch of junk. Love it. Go back to Twitch or join society after taking a break. You know what? Sometimes you just need that, dude. Welcome back, though. Hi, Mal. 14 months. Let's go. I don't know why the alert didn't go off. It's probably going to take its time. How you doing? I hate the forest. The trees just get in the way. Unless I just pan it down like this. I only need a couple more. I'm gonna fast travel. In case I didn't say it, thank you for the resub. My brain is... Oh, I need 3 more. Bit tired, have to stay up for a bit. For work? Wait. Am I mining these too fast? Oh, look, it's back. Okay, wait, what? Windrose, you're not making sense. A vacation until the 18th. Oh, nice! But I traveled most of the day. Jet lag. Where'd you come back from? What the heck? Peekaboo. Oh. Five-dimensional chess? I mean, chess on its own sounds difficult. Top from Paris. Holy smokes! Well, welcome home. How's your trip? What'd you do? How long did you go for? Tell us everything, so we can live vicariously through you. That's awesome, dude. What do I have? Can I give him a fish? Where's the crocodile? Where did he go? Hey, buddy. Stop! Don't run away! Yo, squirrel, tell him I'm your friend. The raccoons do this too. Does anyone... How am I supposed to befriend these guys? They just keep running. Solstice and Lady were watching me play and... That's wild, man. Left the first day of the month. With friends in London, toured Stonehenge. Ooh. TwitchCon in Paris? Dude, that's cool. Very cool. Forgot why I came here, not gonna lie. I needed tinkering parts for something and I cannot remember. Craft the shovel blade. Oh. Mal, you just finished last year? That's awesome. You got a littering ticket? Can I ask how much that was? Took 19 years? That's wild. You know, when I was doing one of my assignments, actually one of the questions... Ooh. One of the questions was about student loans and stuff, and it was actually very surprising to me how many people are paying for their student loans like years after. I go get ready for work. Yo, Winrose, I hope you have a good day at work. It's nice to see you, man. Man, I like these stumps. They are... Nope. 100 pounds, so prepare early, it's only 80. Wow. So what happens if you don't pay it? Is that an option? Really? Huh. Alright, well, I don't recommend not paying it then. Oh my god, you guys, we need so much Dreamlight. What am I at? I'm at 1400. I'll be very happy to sleep in my bed tonight, but I need to stay up. Oh yeah, yeah. That's a whole ordeal, man. Ooh. This is a little chilly. A little chilly. No! What the frick, man? Okay, it doesn't use... Does not use my energy when I do that. Alright. Where's Anna? Do 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 do. She's at the restaurant.
Oh, hi.
First hour of vacation didn't really go as planned, but I got a new photograph through my phone. Wow. Hi, sleep all night. Tomorrow update is gonna turn COD into Advanced Warfare. Hi, mates. How you doing?
Oh,
How's the rest of your shift?
yeah. We'll talk more soon, okay?
Getting charge jump? What is that? Oh, this is Elsa's place? That's cool.
Hi. Oh. Thank you so much.
Anna, did you want to get in here? You're okay. She's over it. She's like, I'm done. Where does Anna keep running off to? Hello? Oh, she's going back. Ma'am?
Oh, hi.
Well, like, is sleeping on an air mattress? Well, he did it for what, 2 weeks?
Oh. We'll talk more soon, okay?
He did it for 2 weeks, and then they got their new bed, and then he started sleeping in bed. Hi, dude. That doesn't sound fun at all. Tried something new in my hair today, and I think it's working out.
Hello.
Yeah, honestly, at that point, I would rather just have like a foam, like roll up thing.
Uh-huh. Yes. Goodbye.
What is going on with my lighting right now? Why do I look so orange? Hello? Oh, maybe it's because the screen is red. Ah. Weird. We've never experienced that, I don't think. Guys. I think I like read my sleep schedule over the weekend. I slept till 5 and I'm like, I'm exhausted. I could, like, it was like 11 last night. I could have easily gone to sleep.
Wow, am I happy to see you. Great. do it?
I gotta go back? Yeah, literally. Although I will say I'm waking up earlier this week, which is nice because like I hate sleeping in until the afternoon. Hi John, how we doing? Happy Wednesday to you. Is she gonna make me do
Hi there.
another?
Yeah. Why, thank you.
Why, thank you. Cool. I'm doing good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really tired. I could feels like it's like 1 in the morning. I'm good. White Girl Wednesday. No, not Wednesday for me. John is in Australia though. He is in the future. We have 15 friends? Pardon? Holy crap. Nice. Hello, Olaf. We just need Minnie. I would really like to have Minnie here. And these guys. Alright, well. I don't want to wear these glasses anymore.
Perhaps we could do something together. Oh. Congratulations.
Yay! Yeah, are you gonna go talk to your sister?
My beauty here is eternal.
What do you want, lady?
Oh, hello, dear. Mm-hmm. And we're done talking.
Alright. Hey, get back here. I'm not done. Lady.
Hello.
Ooh, we need to get those. Wonder where I find those. Well, I don't have either of those, so that'll have to suffice.
Ah,
I don't like you.
good.
Don't
Now
like
you'll
her.
always know to listen to Mother.
Anna has a quest for us. Where did she go? Oh, she's still. Wait.
Hello. Oh, why, thank you.
Let's go. I thought she was barefoot for a second.
Hello. Oh. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm.
All right. We got a car.
Uh-huh.
What kind of car?
That was fun.
I think I have a vial at home.
Got a fucking M3, BMW M3,
Nice.
fully maxed out with like a 50K paint job on it. It looks like a chameleon.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's pretty sick. All white rims. It's lowered with fucking camber and everything.
Nice.
Oh yeah, pretty nice. Not too shabby. You gotta get it fixed up. She's a little beat. What are you doing?
I'm selling things to Goofy.
Hell yeah.
Good boy.
Getting good money for it.
I had a bunch of
If
gems
you
and
don't want
shit.
you don't want him to rip you off.
No, he gives a fair price.
Good, good, good.
I don't know how to get these raccoons to be my friend.
How's your pigeon?
They're doing good. Which one's out there right now? It's the light winged one. I think it's the female.
Oh fuck yeah.
Here's your car, by the way.
You do that.
What did I mean? Sunflowers. Where do I find those? Dazzle Beach? Really?
It's got red headlights too, I just realized. Now that it's nighttime. Holy shit.
Nice. That's very on brand.
Red underglow. Holy. What are the odds?
No, he's playing a roleplay RP GTA.
Okay, listen. Don't take on too much. We're here for you.
Guess in his head.
Oh. Here, I made a vial for it. Hey, sunflowers. I haven't even noticed these. Have these been here the whole time? That's too funny. Donald, you're facing the wrong way, dude. Oh, my foot hurts. Ow. Ah.
Perhaps we could do something together. Hello, my friend. Ah,
Cool. Snow. That's so cool. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, got it. Neato, gang. Nice. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Cool. All right.
Hello,
Yo.
my friend. Uh-huh. That was fun.
Oops.
Uh-huh. Huh?
Let me get all the snowballs.
Hello. Uh-huh.
Right, well, I'll leave it to you, lady. This is your new home. I went to the bathroom. I'll be right back, guys. Here's Rudy for your viewing pleasure. Man, it is chilly here today. I don't know what I'm doing. Ugh, everything is locked. Hey broski, wanna hang out?
Hello.
Still don't have any rice to give you. What about a snowball?
Yes.
What's up, Goofy? Hmm. That is weird. That is adorable. Hi Jason, how you doing, man? Oops. It is. I like it. Very grindy. I love how you can just hear Mirabelle everywhere. Man, we're gonna have all of the hard and softwood? Apparently I have 28 hours in this game. And I bought it last week.
What?
What are you up to, Kelsey?
I'm digging.
Fuck yeah. It'd be a nice car to have, man. What are you digging for?
My shovel got upgraded, so I'm digging out the stumps. We're cleaning up the forest right now.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Wonder how I could show you this thing.
Me?
Yeah.
Take a picture on your phone and send on Twitter or Insta.
True. It's just got a crazy paint job on it. But it's like a VIP fucking... It's like a VIP paint job that's for like 50K or something.
Nice.
So I can't change it. That's kind of nice, I'll keep it. I'd just make it all black if not.
Look at all the treasure. Okay, still can't get rid of those.
I see you on Discord, by the way.
Hmm? Oh, we got a window? Nice. She's just having a blast over there. Should we go grow some rice? Is Donald losing his shit again? I really don't like him. Hmm. I don't have any of the things you want. Well, that'll have to do for now. Oh, wow. We have a lot. We have some white daisies. Alright. White daisies. Where did I find those before? Up here, I think. Yep, in the meadow. I see one. I don't know how many I need. Do I have no? I need a carrot for that little dude. Oh look, carrots.
Hey there! See you later.
What am I stuck on? Right.
What are you up to?
Patient.
Fuck yeah. Big
Oh.
bass?
It might be. I need to level up my friendship with this dude. Oh, we got a bream. I thought it had rice seed.
You didn't want to play that game, did you?
Yeah. I was gonna craft a couple of things and then... Oops. Oh, can I not move it? Hmm. Alright then. Oh, I can store stuff in there too? Nice! Everything is storage. Alright. You ready to go?
Second.
Mhm.
Oh, fuck, my legs.
Hmm?
My legs, they hurt. I'm not sure if it's a mouse and keyboard or what.
Okay.
I was planning on mouse and key, but it might be meta or not. Game's so loud, holy shit.
Mhm. Oh, man, my throat fucking hurts. Oh. There we go. Hi, Bikes. How we doing? Oh.
I'm not hearing.
You're just doing some door
Mm,
dashing. Nice.
Hmm.
What's up? I have to make a tea. Hang on, I'll be right back. My throat feels like shit, so I'm just making some tea, guys. I'm sorry. Hello?
Hello.
Can you join?
What do you mean? I'm in here.
In the game?
We're both standing. Yeah, we're both standing in a... You're not in here?
No. So I'm at a join screen.
Hmm.
Oh, I
You
see.
didn't join. That was weird.
I can see you.
Huh?
Like in the top left.
You're the one that has to join. I'm already joined, I think.
I know.
We're in a game. I don't know how you're not in here with me.
Nope. I'm at the main screen.
Just gonna restart my game.
How'd I go change? I'm cold. Right. Do you maybe want to host?
No, I'm just waiting for you. You invite me.
Oh, maybe it's my game. Oh. Okay, I pressed join. Yo, hello Commander Sandman, how we doing? I think my water is gonna be boiling soon.
Wait for that if you want. Should I do that
Okay.
before we started this?
Okay. Bye. What are you playing? Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh.
Ready?
I think so.
It's not even working. Game is busted.
If you started it on keyboard, you have to play on keyboard.
Just gonna close it.
Oh.
You're back now, or?
Huh?
You're back now?
Yep.
The controllers are unplugged.
Hmm.
Your setting. Oh no. Won't even let me join. What the fuck's going on?
Oh.
Restart my computer.
No, that's probably... multi... Oh, there we go.
I think my keyboard's busted or something.
Okay.
I feel like GTA is
Messing with stuff?
like, yeah, maybe. Could be. Like the keyboard switcher at least.
Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. Yeah, that car is sweet, man.
Yeah. Mm. We just lost picture. I don't know what's going on.
Mm-hmm. ST's hanging in your Discord by himself.
My computer just reset itself.
Oh. This music's driving me nuts. I'm gonna exit for now.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me a radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that?
I've never heard of that before. 6 days in Fallujah.
Place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me a radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Can you invite me?
Yep. I'm gonna open the game again. I closed it because the music was driving me nuts. Based on the real battle that happened. Oh, interesting.
It's not working again.
Hmm.
Pretty sure I'm supposed to be the first one, but
Like to join first?
yeah.
Okay.
It wouldn't even let me be the. When I hosted, it wouldn't even let me be the first one, so.
Okay. Big pucker factor, imagine.
You won't. So that's me. So my keyboard just worked.
Huh. Okay.
It's working. So, okay. Now it works.
Oh, now mine doesn't
Can you
work.
move?
Maybe that's just how it starts at the beginning. Maybe second player just can't move right now.
Hmm.
Pull me. Just walk. Yeah.
There's a button for it too.
W is jump.
Oh. But yeah, because you don't.
I think it's just the second player gets pulled for a second.
Can't click escape. I'm so confused on what's going on.
What do you want
Oh,
me
you can click it though. What
Yeah.
the fuck? Huh?
Because I'm the captain.
So dumb. I can't look at my options. Show me the controls. That's so
Um,
dumb. Options. Controls. Okay. I was clicking that, but
Wait, what are my options? Hang on. Oh. Oh,
doesn't work.
it's the arrow.
What?
Mine is
What?
the arrows. I can use the arrows.
Oh, I can't be that guy then, definitely. I have a different keyboard. So that sounds dumb.
Okay. Three,
This game's really hard.
three,
We gotta-
two, one.
No, we just jumped up there last time, didn't we? Get up here.
I need you to pull me over. I can't jump when I'm down
Jump.
here. I can't. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to fall down.
There's a pole, wasn't there? What, do you know what button it was?
P. P?
Q.
Oh. There you go. Okay. 1, 2.
One second.
The chill vibe
Swans is messaging me.
was apparently a really hard game. What? S-Tots?
Yeah, it just keeps messaging me.
Oh. We can go to another channel if you want. Okay.
Saying that the key lights are on like 30% off or something.
Oh, yeah. Are you ready?
No, I don't think. Oh, that's not. Ready? Jumps. Nice.
Oh shit, how do I...
Whoa. Were you reading what that said?
Kinda? How do I pull you?
Get on the edge.
Fuck. I don't... Hang on, I need to look at my controls.
I swear there's a like we're supposed to be able to pick each other up. I think. I don't. Apparently not though.
Pull rope is shift? Okay.
There.
Shift. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh.
Go back. I hate that you can't. I just want to check my shit. Like, why do you have to do it? It's so lame. So, you're Fred?
Yeah.
So this is you?
No, that's you. This is you.
So why can I control this, but I can't? That's the crazy thing, right? Q's pull. And swing. So that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, swing is A and D.
Right shift? Well, that's why you got some weird buttons. That's weird. Yeah, I could never be that character. If we both had 60%, I don't think we could play. It's crazy.
Well, someone have to be
It's gonna
on.
fuck-
Someone have to be on controller.
Just whoa.
Okay.
Settle your horses down. Holy. It says so grab. I guess you're not an object though. So the rock that you carry in single player though, you can grab.
Okay.
So I
I mean, you
wonder-
could try carrying me.
You know, I've been like clicking it. It won't work.
Mm.
Weird. Okay, I'm good. There's literally like only Q.
Okay.
That's all we can use, I guess, is Q.
All right. So one of us is supposed to swing here.
Yes. Stand on the wood.
And they want us to be in the middle.
Alright.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh.
Whoa!
You gotta anchor, you gotta anchor.
Chill.
S. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here.
Spin. Can you go in a full circle?
No.
Banker. Oh, fuck.
Ooh. 1,
Fuck
2.
was that? 1. You're saying 2 while you're falling. I don't think you should count.
Okay, you do it.
I go. That didn't work either.
There's a little delay in
What's this double jump? There's delay?
Yeah, there's a little bit of like latency in Discord here, I think.
52 milliseconds. Oh yeah, you're on the other side of Canada. My bad. Forgot.
Okay.
There's
You can't-
definitely an easier way to doing this, by the way. That's why I don't want to actually just jump.
The little thing down there shows us to swing.
Well, yeah, but jump like that. There's an easier way to do it. It's gotta be. Like a super jump. Like, we shouldn't have to, time it, you know?
Why not? That's the whole point of the game, isn't it?
Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
No.
It is the whole point, but I just don't feel like. See, you can do it in a full circle.
I'm shifting you.
What?
I was pressing shift, and that's bringing you up here. Weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. I was trying. It wasn't working.
Well, that's what we're supposed to do. That's what it said in the instructions. So I don't know what you're supposed to do afterward, but once I start getting it, oh, not that. Once I get into a circle, you're supposed to do something. It was saying. We skipped the tutorial, I guess.
Mhm.
Well,
I'm trying to pull you in. Or am
Why?
I supposed to fling you? Are we flinging to the other side?
I don't know.
Great.
This is what I was told to do. You had something pop up on your screen that is what you're supposed to do.
I don't know. You were clicking through everything.
Maybe unmantle. I don't know. Super jump. So just hold one of the things.
Good night, Blast. Good night, Fox.
Need you to jump.
Okay, one.
You here? I'm gonna stop. Wait. Can you? Since I'm not moving. Yeah. I might hit my head here. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Try that. Try. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like maybe still a little bit too much. Let's see. It won't even let me circle here.
No?
Wait. There's different directions.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta go this way. Maybe?
Yeah.
Right? And then... Okay.
Now.
Um,
No.
So, up... It's... Yeah. Yeah. What'd you do?
I just let go.
Like...
I unanchored.
Of holding down?
Yeah.
You let go?
Yeah.
You didn't move?
No.
Okay. You just let my character pull you then?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Pull me.
1, 2, 3. Hang on.
There's
hang on.
a. Okay. There's a countdown in the game too. It said in the options.
Mm.
You wanted to try that. Can we turn this music down too? I don't know if it's like a one control thing or what. Oh, nice. Way better. Holy shit.
No! Whoa!
You want to go back into the controls whenever you're ready? Wait. You can mark. Oh, flags. Okay, never mind. That's for like saving. We can save at certain points. Maybe we should do that. You can mark. Fly you up there again. Hold F and N and C and M. F. Oh. C and M to go there, but F and N to place one. We should place a flag here, probably.
Okay. I'm trying.
Did it work? Yeah, I
No.
don't. Maybe it's invisible. Might be just invisible. Maybe they're cheesing us. What was the countdown button?
I didn't. Or is that in the controls? Okay.
Yeah.
Countdown 4.
Mine's 4. Mine's 4. Yours is N4? Wow.
Oh, number pad.
pad 4.
Yeah.
Do you have one of those?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice. It's a W. Huh. I bet you that's not delayed.
No. Okay, I'll let you do the.
Wow. Wow. Much better.
Ooh.
What's this? Oh, challenge. Oh. Oh, that's depressing. They're not coming back, apparently. This is the swing.
Oh.
Did you want to do it since you know how?
Yep. Yeah, underneath. You want to go counterclockwise.
This way?
Yep, yep. Oh.
I wonder if I should have jumped. Do you think? Probably not, eh?
I don't know.
I wonder, yeah, like it, because we weren't even close. Do you think you like were off at all, or I needed to do something?
Oh shit, sorry. I don't know.
You know what I mean? If it was like a timing thing, or if I need to do something like midair.
I don't know. It might have been me.
Try again.
Okay.
Because we weren't even close.
Mm-mm.
So maybe.
You want to go
Wait,
the other?
wrong way.
Yeah.
So I maybe like jump or something. I'm just gonna hold both. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna spam both.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Up. One. Now. Now.
What if you go far right? Hold right is yeah. Whoa! What was that?
Yeah, I hit far right.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Now we know.
Mm.
So I think we get to choose down or up.
We have to go both.
Hmm?
Oh. No, I think down you die. Isn't that what that means? Oh. Well. Oh,
Now we're down here.
back to where we started.
Oh, I see. Down you die, it goes down.
Because you want to go up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I forgot you wanted to.
This way?
Yep. Other way.
No? This way.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Now. Go. Oh, sorry.
So I didn't do anything. Oh fuck. I didn't do anything that time, so maybe I do need to like hold right. Like
Yeah,
you
I think
said?
we both need to.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Try it out. I'm not gonna hold anything this time, actually. I just want to test it. You got this.
Are you holding your right button right now anyway?
Yes.
Okay, so then just keep
I was
holding it.
spamming space and W for jump and shit. Yeah, I'm gonna keep holding it. That's what I did last time.
Oh. Well.
Back to the start. Ooh, chill.
But I'm supposed to be down there. Oh.
If you want to reverse it, we can try that. Pull me up. I'm curious on how it works. I got a plant.
Yeah.
And then do I have to click up to unplant or?
No, you just let go.
We'll definitely gotta do a full circle for this one, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's the right way too, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
It's
guessing
like-
you do like on the way up. Let's see.
It's kind of, yep.
What were you saying?
No, I was gonna say like right where you basically let it go. I was like where that purple little thingy is.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Makes sense.
What was my grabbing button?
I'm not sure. Check real quick.
Control. Right control. Okay.
Some weird ass buttons.
Okay, so one of us has to hang on here.
Wait, grab onto this.
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1, and up. Grab. Whoa, whoa. Go. Up. Up.
Mhm.
A little bit backward. It's like 7 different buttons I gotta spam.
Oh,
You gotta go forward and click it. Okay.
you got it.
That's not a good grab, but... Oh god. I think I should be higher. Wanna try higher? I'm gonna fall.
Yeah,
There's a certain time... Said there's a certain...
Yeah.
You can see my face getting red. Did you notice that?
Alright.
Okay.
Sorry.
I can't do 5 buttons at once. Like, I keep W, D, and E, and fucking... Jesus Christ.
Mine might be easier. I can try it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh!
You see, like, it's so fucked.
Well,
There's gotta be, like, a key button. Can you change keybinds?
yeah.
Is that a thing? Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
What do you want it to be?
Grab object. Wait, you changed them for me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Or... make it R. Oh, there we go.
Oh, you got it?
Change
worked?
yours real quick, or...
Hmm?
I'm gonna change it again. I'm gonna change it again.
Oh, you're...
Um,
No, that's a down arrow.
Space.
There. You want it space?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You can change yours if you want.
No, mine's in a good spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's just test it right here. You can't grab onto this or something? It did say most wall. Oh, so you're able to. Okay. Let go. What? Mine not working? I don't think mine's working. Do you hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's not working.
Oh.
Oh, it's still E for some reason.
Oh.
Go back in the settings. That's a... I was gonna say, am I tripping? Oh, grab object space. Is your grab object and interact all the same?
Yep.
Okay. I'm
Wait.
good now.
Do you want me to
Oh,
make
sorry.
them the same?
No, were they?
Yeah, mine were, yeah. Do you want me to make yours the
Okay.
same?
Yeah, I did it. I'm good.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Perfect. Let's span it now. Now we're going. Fuck yeah. I don't have crazy, like, small fingers, I guess. I don't know who could do that with those buttons. That's fucked. We're moving with gas now. Let's go. It worked. You flung that first time, so we can go further somehow.
I don't know how I
You
did
really
that.
flung that. Yeah. No. Okay.
Sorry.
Let's jump straight up.
I know. I don't know why I keep hitting the... It's like the muscle memory from this. We are pros now, though.
Yes, definitely. That's
Okay.
the whole fucking.
Ugh.
So I jumped. Did I pull? I did it too late or too
Too
early?
early.
I should say probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. That's...
Here you go.
My reflexes are...
I'm the baked one here. Maybe you need to be baked.
What?
Maybe that's what you gotta be baked too. My mind's going a little slower. Up. Whoa. Well, that wasn't. Is that right?
No.
Alright, you plant. You got this. I believe.
Mhm. Yeah.
There we go. Might not have been clicking. Whoa, wait. Huh? How'd that even? How'd that even happen?
I don't know.
This is it's like, I don't even know what happened there. Nice. Okay. Wrong way.
Let's try
Got it.
this way, actually. Hang on. Hmm. No.
Can you jump? Yeah. Can you stay there for a second? So you can move in midair then, left and right.
Yeah.
So okay. So yeah, that's probably how that first thing happened there. Because I was
No, sorry, I was gonna move.
pulling you. Well, see, like it just did it there too. Because it made us go into like a circle. I bet you that's something we're gonna have to do at some point. Like a mid-air circle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna hit again probably. Let's see. Fuck. Swing. I know how to swing. I've took a swing before.
what the fuck is that?
I balanced perfectly. That's fun. It was a fucking stiff rope for a second there. Why can't I? Okay. All right. I feel like I'm hitting my head or something. I'm dumb.
Okay, stop. Hang on.
I'll pull me. Yeah.
Here.
Thank you. No, I just don't know how to play. Why isn't it working? It's like doing this half-ass fucking swing now. You see that? I can't even.
Okay.
You see that? No, the rope's shorter or something.
Okay.
Go for it.
Oh. Oh,
I think that whatever you just did there, I think that's what was happening to me.
I
Yeah,
pressed
see?
down.
Down? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you hold the button there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I gotta fucking figure something out then for it. We just stopped dead air. Maybe
Yeah, like I'm holding
I
right.
need to do W and D. Do I need to jump too off the edge?
I don't
I think
know.
that's probably.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. I wasn't jumping.
Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I jumped the first time.
Okay. Interesting. Because like something that kept like pulling us there. So I think maybe I was like,
Oh!
oh. This is the big boy jump. So if I can pull this one off, then. No.
Oh!
Catch it. You got it. Yeah. Nice. We just did the mid-air thing again there. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It like just we were like hanging out mid-air for a second there. I wonder what the fuck.
I'm
Oh,
pressing.
I see. I seen it. I seen it.
I'm also pressing up.
Yeah, no, what happened? I didn't. I like was up for a second, and then I was just standing on the platform while you're midair pulling the rope.
Mm.
So I need to like spring myself off instead of like standing there. It like completely stopped her momentum.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm not like pulling at the same time or something. I don't know. All right, just straight up. And then you just swing into the platform, right? Yeah. And then you swing me. Pull me out.
Hey.
Nice. Let's go. And then probably the same thing here.
Mhm.
Oh god.
Ready?
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Great work.
God.
You jumped a little early. Nice. And we got to swing probably to the left, eh? Want to come to the right a little bit? Yeah.
Am I swinging or are you swinging?
I'll swing if you want, but I think I've been fucking it, so I don't.
Yeah, okay.
I think I'm doing this wrong in a way, so. That way, yeah?
Mhm.
True. Okay, so we gotta click A now. Can you pull at the same time?
Oh shit.
Oh, not gonna work. No, it definitely wouldn't have worked. I was just curious. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing for that, obviously. Let's go. I know how to grab onto these fucking walls, though.
Oh, come down, come down. This is bad news, I think. Oh.
Whoa. Hello. Did we make this one? We made this one, eh?
We did the first try.
Okay. Whoa. Slow down.
Okay.
And we made this one too, right?
We made both of these, yeah.
And then this is where we fucked.
Yeah.
'Cause I couldn't swing us hard enough or whatever the fuck. I just wish I knew.
Like going up. Ugh.
Let go what?
Let go and jump.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Okay. Oh. I don't know. Oh. Oh. I'm stuck.
Are you holding?
Nope. Okay.
You plant.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, I don't either.
Well, you're the one that got the furthest. Wait, this is the wrong way?
Yeah, other way.
You're the one that got the furthest last time. Fuck. Or so far.
I don't know what I
don't even
did.
know. Come on now. I'm gonna spam the buttons just in case.
No, no. I think you just just keep hitting left. That's all you have to.
Yep. Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
Well.
Hang on, hang on. Okay.
I don't know what that was. I'm not sure.
I think I hit jump.
Okay. Too early or too late? Alright.
No, no, no.
See, like, what'd you do?
Nothing. I just left and jumped.
Nothing? Oh.
Ooh. A little eggy.
Our baby. Okay. This is our baby. What are we gonna name it? Can I take a bong rip? Can we
Yeah.
name it bong rip?
Sure, dab.
Dab.
A little dab.
Yeah. So, okay, do you see what we gotta do here? I was sorry, I didn't mean to. Fuck. That's my bad.
Oh.
You see what we're gonna do here?
Oh, yep. Someone's gonna have to hang
Okay.
here.
And then swang. Wait. Whoa.
Swang.
You see, you can't. You're not gonna. You're not gonna be able to. Oh, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, I'm down. Let's just full send this fucking thing. Okay, let's go. Oh.
Oh shit. Wait.
Pull me. Wait, where are we?
I don't know.
No. This is like a little save point, I think. All right.
No. Oh.
Yeah, so you see what you just did there? Where you swang like underneath there, and we got onto this platform. I think that's what we need to do up there. So just whatever you just did there. Oh fuck.
I'm not doing so great now.
I wouldn't be able to do anything better. We'd be at the bottom if it was me.
All right.
Nice. Swing low, swing low. You didn't jump. I see
I
that
am.
one.
I was
You
hitting.
just ran off the edge on
I
that
hit
one.
up.
I've seen it.
Oh, sorry.
I'm thinking when last time I was thinking maybe you need to jump first. No, I don't know. You know what I mean? 'Cause
Yeah,
it feels like the standing on the platform is what's making the rope tug, and that's what's losing all of our momentum. Whenever, like, that's how I was losing mine too. I noticed is because I was standing on the platform for a second. So I think maybe jump first. I don't know. And then you let me pull you, you know? But you gotta probably go right as well, but I think maybe jumping first.
I hit it.
I don't know. Yeah, no, you definitely jumped on that one. I'm not too sure. There's some sort of timing to it.
Other way.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
So-
So what I did
Yep.
is I let go and just hit right and jumped in like midair basically.
Okay, like a double jump or
No.
Okay. Whoa! Sorry. I forgot where we were.
It's too low. Too high.
Low.
Come down, come down.
Quick.
Come down.
No, quick.
No,
I'm good,
because
I'm
I
good.
don't know when you're gonna fall, right? So if I let go, just let go.
Oh,
Because if I'm flinging and you fall, then we're gonna fall all the way down.
no. Oh, you had that.
There, okay.
You're a master, right? Have you not realized that yet?
I don't think so.
Not with that attitude.
Wee.
I might have jumped there.
I'm definitely jumping after I let go.
Yeah. But I seen my character. Oh no. My
Look at my
character like
forehead.
flashed midair. What did you say?
Look at my forehead. So big.
So big. You got this. I believe in you. Oh. Okay.
I go.
So okay. Well, hey, that's definitely what we're supposed to do. Did you do? How'd
I
you
did,
do
yes.
that?
I grabbed onto it.
How? You
I
like swang.
I
and
knew,
then,
yeah, I did a swing and then
Like you didn't have to jump or anything. You just clicked to hold.
yeah, no, I just
Okay.
went around and then
Yeah.
oh shit. Oh shit. Stop. Do it.
Alright.
Hi Rudy.
It's so weird that like, how did I make it there? But the last time I didn't make it up at all. What's the difference? You know? There's a difference.
Oh. Okay. Thanks, Mace. Hey. Okay. Oh, my jump didn't work.
Oh, that's why I flashed, because I like grabbed onto something. Okay.
Ah.
Fuck. Whoops.
I'm sorry. That's really...
Nice. Okay. Like whatever you did there.
I have no
you
idea
know?
what I'm doing actually.
So that was like, that was really high. Must be just a timing thing then. Oh fuck, hold me. You gotta jump up. Oh. Not high enough, I think. You got it. Yeah. That might work for there too, who knows?
The anchor?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
I'm way too low, I think.
Kick back.
Yeah.
Oh, too high. Oh, I'm stuck. No! I'm gonna be dreaming about that do. Ah!
Oops.
Yeah.
You didn't jump.
I jumped at the end there, and that's why I fell. Oh! I didn't think you were going that one. Okay.
This way, right? Yeah.
Yep. Fuck.
You ran on that one. Yeah, jump. That's definitely the.
No, that's
Based.
not. No, that's not what I was doing before. I was literally just letting you go and then hitting right, like towards where we're going, and then jumping after. That's what I was doing the whole time.
You running definitely fucked at that time. I know that. You can see them when the rope tugs. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Okay, so you literally just let go, don't hit anything.
Anything at all?
No.
Well, that's because that's a shorter jump. Let's see if that works on this. Try it on this one too. But just because it's shorter, long jumps you need to. Yeah, so this is a bigger one. See?
Ah!
Oh, whoa. Other way?
Mhm.
Right? This way?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, try it.
Yep.
Did you not jump there?
Yeah, I'm hitting up after, like while we're
Oh.
in the air. But yeah, I'm literally just
Yeah.
letting go.
Yeah, 'cause it's like I say, when you run, it fucks it. So pulls on it.
We're gonna be pros at this part.
Yeah,
No.
this is exactly like those other games, you know.
Nope. Same thing didn't work.
Same thing didn't work.
No.
Is it a timing thing or
Maybe.
maybe? Try it again. I'd say keep trying it like that, just out of curiosity. Yeah, this is like the the only up game or the hammer dude. Like, oops, sorry.
Wow.
I was way too late on that, or early. Yeah, this is exactly like those games.
Mm-hmm.
So we could get to the top, then fucking fail. Failures. I don't think that we're failures, though, you know?
Mm-mm. Not today.
Not today. You can try it again. However you... Nice. You just did the same thing? You
Yep,
just worked
I
that
honestly
time?
don't even know what I'm doing.
It's just a timing thing. Probably not a good thing that you don't know what you're doing.
Oh no. I can't get there. What I don't know how I did that the first time. No. Okay. Uh oh. Swing!
Got a, what, plant?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you, Commander.
Which is just down.
Yep. Hi, C's. No. 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 No.
Nice. There you go. So, I have a question
Yeah.
before we go. No, you're out. Okay, bye. You say you don't know what you're doing, but you're doing something in your head there. What's that?
No. So I know the timing of it. I just don't know what buttons I'm
You
pressing.
do know what you're doing then.
No, I don't know what I'm pressing. I don't
You
actually
got this.
remember. I don't remember what keys I'm pressing. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Let's go. Whoa! Whoa! Alright.
It's rock solid.
Yes. What is? Wait, what?
He's asking how I feel about my friendship with you right now.
Oh. How do you feel?
I said it's rock solid.
Like a Hard Rock Cafe or? Whoa! Yeah, it's just a timing thing then.
Okay.
You're just clicking down on that
What?
midair, or?
When I land on the thingy?
Mm-hmm.
No, I wait till I'm up there and then I hit like this. Alright.
Yeah, I forget where I seen this game. I think Lauren, she was playing Only Up, and someone in the chat said like play this game if you want to ruin friendships or something.
Oh yeah, you know what? I saw that. I never didn't actually remember the name of the game. Okay, you ready? 3.
Oh,
2,
I'm ready as
1.
you are.
Whoa!
Got some distance there. Jesus.
I can't get it. No.
You can. You go in a circle.
Ugh.
Oh. You gotta do like a full rotation like you were doing before. You feel?
Mm-hmm.
So like, get to like the peak and then fling it the other way. Oh,
Pull me
you're
up.
up there. That's weird.
Whoa.
Whoa, what the?
Whoa.
Did I just jump off your face?
Okay,
What
wait.
was that?
You jump. Okay, wait. Pause. Pause. You jump.
Yep.
Jump. Do it again. Okay, I thought it did something else.
Go again.
No. Oh. You see that?
Yeah. Whenever it wasn't pulling.
Oh shit.
Get higher on this end. There, yeah, nice.
Okay, you ready? Next one. Here. Oh.
Was that like too far down, maybe? Like when you let go of it? on that one?
I don't know.
My character glowed on that. I don't know what happened. Gotta figure out what the glowing means. Nice.
You know, I changed because I was cold before. Now I'm hot.
Hot. So higher on the right side. Nice.
Now,
Did
oh,
that flash?
next. Fuck.
No.
You were getting
Wasn't
very high up,
enough
eh?
swing. Yeah. And not enough swing at all. Did you have to let go?
Yeah. Or I didn't know
You just
when.
got red face. So
Yeah.
Make it like let it like drop yourself at that point.
Fuck.
Wrong way.
Yeah,
Wrong way.
yeah.
Wrong.
You want to be like coming under towards it, wherever we're jumping to. So you get the most momentum.
You see where my character flashed that last time we were doing circles? I
Nope.
wonder what the fuck that is.
Nope, I'm
It
honestly not
glowed.
looking at.
Huh?
I'm looking at where we're going. I don't even look at.
Gotta look at us, man. This is us. That's how we maneuver, you know? See? It just did it again. It even makes a sound. Like a
Is he just
maraca, like-
blinking?
Nah, I don't think. I don't think so. It's like whenever we grab onto stuff, it does it too.
Hip. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, wait.
They go on go.
My hand wasn't even on the
So we just
keyboard
go
this
on
last
one.
time. Okay.
You jump on one a lot.
I know. It's because I feel like I have delayed reflexes, but maybe they're not. So like I'm like preemptively trying to make up for my delayed.
No, just go on go. You don't know that delayed reflexes. You're probably before it, really. If you're going before, it means you have better reflexes than the game.
I know, as what I'm saying. I'm like, I'm preemptively. Wait,
What are we waiting?
because I wasn't there already yet. Whew, I might need to change again. Oh.
I don't think I'm high enough.
Oh, you're emoting. You can do emotes. I think that's what you're doing.
See?
Yeah, you're just
Did it
pressing
again.
something. Hang on, hang on.
I didn't click a single thing. That's when you were pulling me up. I didn't click
Oh,
anything.
shit. Fuck.
You're the one that clicked the timer on that. I don't know.
I know, I know. I was trying to see, because there is a button you can emote. I think
Yeah, I
that's what.
know.
Oh,
There's like 3 different emotes. There's rock, paper, scissors and shit. It's not what I'm doing, no.
okay.
I'm not clicking anything. It's just blinking whenever you pull me up and shit.
Oh, fuck.
I think that's what we need to do to get like a super jump or something.
Oh, sorry. I would close my eyes and everything, waiting for it.
Close your eyes? The fuck? What do you mean close your eyes? I don't want to be fucking tied to the tether anymore with you.
Oh, okay.
We
Fuck.
get together.
That was
man.
so
You ran on
bad.
that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. All right.
I love Senna with all my heart, cease. And I always will.
Yeah, I think you're asking the wrong person at the beginning. That sounded forced.
No, not at all. It did it again.
I heard it.
What is it?
I
It
don't
means
know.
something. It definitely does. Whoop. Pink. Like, well, it doesn't do it when I pull you up. Let's go. Moving Diffie. Nice.
Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, no. Go. No. Okay, hang on, pause. Hang on. I'm so hot right now. I need to actually go change. Oh my god.
So hot right now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The fuck?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi. You hear me?
Hello.
What are you guys doing?
Being penguins on a rope. What are you doing?
Grand old- I'm level 90 in Diablo, so I'm trying to.
Okay. Okay, we got shorts on.
Nice.
Okay.
Stop bragging, Cinna.
I can't help it.
Yes, you can.
Hello.
She just doesn't want to.
Hi, Esty.
What's going on?
This? Oh
You
man.
grab on first.
Huh?
You grab on first.
Me? Oh shit.
So you can't. Okay, there we go. Yeah.
Oh. Well, at least we got this. Oh shit. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing now. Like I know what I'm pressing.
You grab.
Okay. Oh, look at his little sweat drops. Oh, well.
As soon as I let go, it dragged. So that's what we don't need the dragging to do. Maybe I need to be like.
You have to hit jump after you
the
let
very-
go.
I need to be on the very bottom of the thing.
No,
I
just
don't think you can jump midair.
that's what I'm doing. That's how how I'm flinging us. It looks like infuriating fun. Yep, that's basically. Oh, but my jump
You
did.
ran there.
My jump
Yeah.
didn't work that time.
Didn't work. Didn't you say you just let go? You didn't jump?
No, I am jumping after I let go. So like when I'm in the air, I'm jumping. That's when I fling at you. What are you doing?
You know, just hanging around.
Who, me?
Love it. Keeping it alive. Favorite me member.
You go.
Okay.
I don't think jumping works. Not getting us far at all.
Here. I'll do it.
Nope. I want to figure out how to do it.
Well, no, I was gonna tell you how I'm doing it.
Earlier you said you didn't know what you were doing.
I'm trying to pay attention.
Ugh.
I'm pretty sure I let go and then I hold right once you've pulled me and then I jump.
Say that again?
So I let go. And then I hit right or whatever direction we're going and then I jump. So if you're playing this by yourself, you have to control both guys.
You have a rock. A rock instead of a person. And you can pick the rock up over your head.
Wow. Lower.
Oh, it's me gaining my stamina back. I guarantee
Uh.
that's what it is. Plant up, plant up, plant up. Like, no,
Where?
plant on the ground.
Oh, on
Or
the ground.
See?
Mine even did it too.
Okay. Okay, so that's definitely... It's just your stamina coming back.
Mm.
Okay. These things are important.
Mhm.
It's good to figure out these little things. No, let me do it actually. Pull me up. So I didn't swing you high enough?
Yeah, I think you let go a little bit too early.
Early?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I was scratching my eye.
You good?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You grab.
Oh,
You didn't grab.
I did. I don't think we were... Oh, okay. I don't think we were high enough. I pressed the button. Oh. Red not high enough? I don't know.
Saying you gotta be high too, I think. You grab.
What?
Oh, jumped early.
Yeah, I don't think I'm the person to play this with. There.
I think this is the one I've never done yet. There we go. Oh no, I've gotten us up there before, haven't I?
I think so.
Okay.
Last two
You grab.
times.
You grab. Oh, I didn't grab.
Oh!
Go. You got it. Oh, what the fuck?
Okay.
Oh, nice. Okay.
We just made that way harder than it needed to be. Plant! Oh! Pull me up!
Good
Oh!
work.
I could feel Senna dodging in real life.
Alright, what are we supposed to do here?
I'm guessing the wall. You grab onto that wall. Get on the very edge. We're only 1 foot. Right here.
The one on top? Like right above us?
Yeah, staying where I'm at. I'm gonna plant just in case. Nice. Okay, yeah, so you see that Like, I'll grab it, but like you see the the
Up
platform?
and left, right? Right in, like right up here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Your word.
Oh my god. Hey. Oh god.
What? Oh God, what?
Well, if we fuck up here.
I mean, if we fuck up here, we're not going to.
Oh, you want me to? Oh, shit, I almost pulled out my headphones. Okay.
What the fuck is that confidence, man?
I'm just.
Just saying nothing. We're about to fucking win. Oh, put the jinx in the air.
I wasn't as bad as I thought.
Grab in or?
Yeah, I will, yeah.
Okay. I
Sorry.
didn't think you were gonna make it. I grabbed two.
Yep.
Oh no, my bad, my bad, my bad.
Grab,
I'll
grab,
make it, I'll make it, I'll make it. Wait. I always forget that I have to click a button there.
To grab on?
Yeah, I never click it. I just expect it to.
Okay. Whoa. Hang on.
Whoops.
Whoa. Okay. Good night, C's. Have a good sleep, dude. Who's that?
He's
Hi,
going
Ruby.
to bed.
Imagine.
I was actually prepping for bed before Red hit me up after waiting an hour for a response.
Dude, well, this is what we were doing. That's why I told you to come here, so I didn't have to text you. You know? Busy
You
man
guys were
plans.
hidden.
Huh?
Hiding from me. It's not cool, man.
Mm. Can we kiss?
Of course. Especially after I hit 100 tomorrow.
Say tomorrow?
Yeah, I can't do it tonight. I'm fucking.
You're
I had
going to
3
tomorrow
hours.
though? 10 levels?
Huh?
You're gonna do 10 levels tomorrow?
I'm 98.
Oh, I thought you said you were 90.
Uh,
See, that makes a lot more sense, because the other day you said you were like 90 something, and then you said you were 90 today. I was like,
Ah.
you didn't grab. Fuck. I'm gonna start grabbing.
I'm a hot mess. I got. Oh no!
Mm. Hmm. It holds on it. I'm just gonna. I'm not gonna touch anything this time. Hmm. Like it works when you just don't do nothing, but I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's
There's a method to it for sure. Wait,
low.
wait. You gotta jump with me here.
I swear I am.
There we go. I also think it's like laggy or something. To be honest with you. Whoa. Like especially in this part of the map, feels like laggy as shit. Oh.
I'm
It's
not
like
gonna lie.
we get like choppy like into each other or something.
Yeah. I'm getting tired.
Bunch of losers. Wait. Oh, you're not gonna hit your head. We're good.
You just call me a loser?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm just like, I don't know what to say. I might be slightly offended.
Good.
You're not a loser to me.
That's makes you a real G.
I ran on that one. See, it tugged it.
Mm-hmm. I might hit my head on this one. No. I got. Oh.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Great work.
Okay.
That was perfect.
Mm. Okay.
I'm gonna fuck this up. Yep. Alright, let's go. One more try. You're saying you're going to bed?
Not going to bed, I'm just think oh, good thing you grabbed on. I think I'm too tired for this. Too much thinking. Mm. Do you want me to try?
Yeah. I'm consistent. I do the same thing every time, so there's something that's involved there. I'm doing every time.
Okay, we're pros at that part.
Good.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, what the fuck?
Perfect timing on that one. I ran on it again. Okay. I
That
can't
was
click
like one of
run.
those ladder balls. It's like went tumbling all the way down.
Alright, let's go. One done. We're literally no fall running this whole fucking game. We're literally the best. Hey, no, wait.
Hmm?
Wait. You get up here. Pancake there. What was that?
I was wondering what you were doing. Sorry. Oh shit.
I'm gonna have some spaghetti after this.
No Mr. Noodles?
I fucking hate you.
Sorry,
I missed yours yesterday.
I
You
did
still
too.
haven't got those? I actually be concerned at this point. Like, can you get your money back?
I was
It's kinda
concerned
fucked
from
up.
the get go. Like I was concerned when they said it was backward. I was like, yeah, right.
Killed a mosquito. Thank God. Fucking... It's backward for that long though. It doesn't even make sense, right? Like, can you like? Was it Amazon?
No, I like it was like some local store you guys had. Like,
Oh,
yes, back order. I was like, okay, guy, friend, pal.
Ugh. Ooh, ooh! Recover! Kind of.
Let's go.
Windrose, that's not very nice. You restocked on Thins chips?
They're not thins. This freaking guy calling them thins. Who the hell does that?
I think I've seen Thins before.
There's no such thing.
There's wheat
okay?
thins.
All right, both of
Yeah,
you,
it is, yeah, weekends.
both of you have to understand something. They call potato chips thins.
What? I thought they were crisps.
Crisp.
Let go. Ah!
Days Donuts, Thins.
Well,
The
You're-
company's called Thins.
No, it's just all I know is it's fucking terrible.
All right.
Yeah. So it's so that's the problem. He calls Lay's potato chips thins, and that makes no sense. It's like an abomination, honestly. if I had
Is
to
that
say.
like craft? Like what? You have craft dinner there, right?
we have like Kraft
You can't-
macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. We call it
Yeah.
KD. It's called
Would-
KD here, not like macaroni and cheese.
yeah, craft dinner.
Like on the like
Oh,
on the box, it says KD.
You know, I thought freedom was the reason why the United States is better than everybody else, and I was mistaken.
no, it's because you guys have all of the food.
We are the food.
You do have a lot of like random flavorings of everything.
You guys have ketchup chips. I don't want to hear random
Oh, shit.
flavorings.
Yeah, they're the best.
They are the best.
Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Oh fuck. Okay, this is just getting worse.
I need you here. That's
So I'm having a rough time, man.
yeah.
I am. Yes, I'm tired, man.
Somebody give this one some cocaine, please.
Yeah. Not even midnight for her. Yeesh.
I know it's not.
What are you doing, Senna? Like, can we stop this?
Living a vacation.
Mm.
Life is like a movie.
Do not ask what Vegemite chicken is.
I've heard of that.
I want to
Isn't
try
it
Vegemite
fake?
one day. I know it like it's people either hate it or oh, I'm sorry. I was very distracted.
Oh,
Okay,
Jesus.
lock it in.
Senna starts talking about food. It's shocked.
Yeah, I am
Everything's
hungry. I think I might actually make like a
Right
small
away.
batch of nachos.
Just get it out of here.
I mean,
Oh lord. All right.
oh Lord, what?
Me?
Yeah. You said, oh Lord.
Did I? I didn't even. That's just my reflex.
Pull me up.
You don't trust me?
No, just pull me up for the. Go back.
What?
You can go back. It wasn't working. There we go.
Oh. Got it?
Nice.
Okay.
I just want to get past where we've been. We keep getting there all like pretty quickly now. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Is this the spot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is your first time actually doing it. I tried it every other time, failed it, so. Nice. There's a flag there. I think it's a trap.
Wait, how do we mark?
Hmm? Oh, the flag, yeah. It was like F and N and then C and M.
Can we not mark
I don't
it?
know.
Can we save it here?
Apparently we can, but it didn't let us. I don't know.
Save and exit? 60 meters?
Mm.
It did have the
Yeah,
height when we
do
backed
that,
out last time.
Yeah. Let's keep going for a second.
Okay. Oh.
That flag, so I'm curious on what it is. Alright. You wanna do this jump?
Sure.
Yeah, you're a pro at it right now, so I think it's probably the best. We'll nail it.
Oh! Nope. Just
Damn.
kidding.
We're back here. Okay. Alright, last try for sure. Let's just go for the flag though.
Wait, wait.
Oh, sorry. I'm curious on what that flag is. Oh. Hit and grab. Almost should probably look up what the flag does instead, because it's just gonna chalk. But
It's
what
like
the fuck?
slow motion.
Here we go. W. Alright.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. So you want to go for the flag or no?
I don't know. Should we look it up?
I wonder if that's one of the save points.
Put me up. Oh! What are you actually trying to go for it?
Yeah.
Well, wait, count. Oh.
I feel like we're like I think it's a trap, obviously, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just you like pull me down there for oh.
It's a picture.
If there's a chance to restore our lives, I must do it. I bet you this goes to the beginning. Oh. We found what did it say? Found a photo. What? Oh, it's in the album. Okay.
Was that worth it?
No. I mean, yeah, it was. Now we have it. And we're about to do where we were easily.
Two. I went a little bit too far on the edge.
You were good. All right. Oh, you want to? You want us to just stop here then, or?
No, we can make it across here.
Okay.
All right, I think we should get back up to the top and then call it a.
Okay. I'm not gonna look up any videos. I'm very curious on how high it goes, but I'm not gonna. This is also the same map as the single player, by the way.
Oh.
At least for the most part. Like I've only seen the bot, like where we just came from is the, wait, wrong way. Where we just came from is the only spot I got to. Like I didn't get far at all.
Mm.
Like what right below us, I think, as far as I got. When we learned how to grab onto the wall, I think that's where I stopped. Because I had to throw the rock into the wall and get it stuck, and I didn't know how. So I couldn't do it.
Oh shit!
Nice. Nice. Okay. All right. So
we shall continue.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a fun
your
game,
host.
actually.
Did you save it? Or?
Yeah, it said save and exit. Do you want me to open
Oh, it
just?
didn't.
Do you want me to open just in case?
Pull me out of the match. I was still in it.
What?
I wonder. It didn't pull me out of the match. I was still in it. I
Oh.
wonder if it's like two different like save locations.
Oh.
So like I'm able to start it at that point maybe.
What's the height that you're at?
0 meters.
Oh,
What's yours?
64 meters is the save point.
Okay. So you just need to host it then,
I guess so.
right?
Yeah.
Like your host point, and then my host point would be 0.
Yeah.
Okay. We got really far actually.
Mm-hmm.
Did you though? Did you?
Yes.
Blew it.
I'm gonna raid out, but I'll hang for a bit. I'll be right back.
I'll be on
like
for
they-
30 more minutes.
That was a fun game. It took there's definitely like a learning curve. we're gonna go raid Mace Kid. I don't think we've raided. We have not raided him before. I'm hoping to do a day stream tomorrow. I got used to the fling. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit. I'll probably head to bed soon. I really think I'm coming down with something. I'm not happy about it. Alright, let's start the raid. Raid 1's for subs, raid 2's for followers. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so tired. I'm pretty sure I'm getting sick. But like I've been staying up till like 4 or 5 in the morning, so that could be it, but like you would think that I would be able to stay up a bit later if I was staying up that late. Anyway, I will see you guys I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably. I mean, I don't have baseball, so either during the day or in the evening, I will likely do a stream. 4 to 5, yes. Disney Dreamlight Valley. It's addictive. Yep, bad decisions were made. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Spartan, have a good sleep. Thank you everybody for hanging out. You're all beautiful. Good night.